Hi everybody, welcome back to our cooking show. Always here with my mother who's behind me right there, like any mother would be, always over your shoulder.
Always looking over his shoulder.
Oh, on today's episode, we're making something honestly very simple to make, but perfect for picnics and summertime, all year round, but great for this time of year. Ma, today what are we making?
Potato salad.
We'll show you just how to whip this up in no time. Coming up next on Love What You Eat. So you saw my mom put over stovetop a pot of water with some vinegar and then added the diced potatoes. We made serving size for 4 to 6, and this is honestly so simple. We're just showing you ratio wise how we did it, but the important thing just really to know for potato salad would be to add the vinegar,
The white vinegar.
to the potatoes while they're boiling with the water, because what does that do, Matt?
It creates like a little bit of a skin. It doesn't turn your potatoes like into mush. It really holds its texture if you want.
Its shape, exactly.
Yeah, its shape, yeah.
So you're still cooking it to fork tender, as you saw my mom after maybe about 10 minutes or so on a medium boil. The fork goes through very easily, but like my mom says, it creates some sort of a protective film, so they'll be nice and tender, but while afterwards, once they're rinsed off with cold water to shock them to stop the cooking, laid flat on a dishcloth on a baking tray just to fully chill. You can also put it in the fridge to chill faster. But then adding the mayo and the dressing, the potatoes won't smush or they won't mash up. So that vinegar is very much a key ingredient to holding that shape. Afterwards, we did a simple diced up celery, shredded carrots, a little bit of salt and pepper to taste. You can add, some people add a tablespoon or two of mustard to add a little bit more zing. Some people add raisins in it, chopped nuts. Like there's an endless amount of ideas of how you can make a potato salad.
That's right.
We really showed a simple, and it's really to specify and to stress the adding of the vinegar to hold the texture. Aside from that, you guys do as you wish. You'll be able to find this recipe always on our website at www.lovewhatyoeat.net. Where you can replicate this to the T with our photo step-by-step instructions along with the measurements and all, or honestly use it to inspire to make your own. We are going to give this a bite. Always best once it is mixed together to add that in the fridge and let it chill a good 2-3 hours because it lets all the ingredients marry together.
That's right.
And get to a proper nice chill like a potato salad. So that would be honestly the last step of directions, but here we go, let's give it a try.
Favorite.
Perfect. Who doesn't love a good, simple potato salad? I love the crunch of the celery. You can make the texture different. You don't want them diced, you want them sliced, you want them a bit thicker, a bit more of a bite. It's perfection.
We show you our way, but just like any other recipes, I mean, there's so many different variations out there. And you could add your own extra ingredients if you want.
Yep.
But I like it, and the important thing is really the white vinegar, because you really need the potato to create that nice little film. You don't want it to turn into mush, and it gives it a nice like tangy, zingy. Tangy, zingy.
A nice zing, a nice zing.
A nice zing.
Yes, exactly.
To the taste, it's very refreshing, really, really good.
Well, thank you very much for tuning in on this week's episode. Stay tuned for fresh videos uploaded every Sunday. Until then, have yourselves a wonderful weekend. And as always, continue to love what you eat.
Love what you eat.
Bye for now.
Bye-bye.
Super good.
Have a great Sunday.
Okay, bye.